Investing in S&P 500 stocks on Wealthsimple is straightforward, and you can do it by purchasing an S&P 500 index fund or ETF. Here's how. Log into Wealthsimple. Open the Wealthsimple Trade app or visit the Wealthsimple website and log into your account. Fund your account. If you haven't already, transfer money into your Wealthsimple Trade account by linking your bank account and depositing funds. Search for an S&P 500 ETF. In the search bar, type S&P 500 to find popular ETFs that track the S&P 500 index. Common choices include Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, iShares Core S&P 500 ETF, or SPDR S&P 500 ETF Trust. These ETFs contain all the stocks in the S&P 500. Select the ETF. Choose the S&P 500 ETF you prefer and tap on it for more details, including historical performance, current price, and market data. Buy shares. Click Buy, enter the amount you want to invest or the number of shares you want to purchase, and confirm the trade. Wealthsimple allows commission-free trading for ETFs, so no extra fees will be added. Monitor your investment. Track the performance of your S&P 500 ETF in the Portfolio section.